Wondering when you're doing skills on Khan Academy, some of them are going to seem, you're going to remember them from past classes, and you might just be able to do them, or you might just need like a little hint to get going. So um, Khan's got these get a hints that will walk you through this particular type of problem. And if you just have like a little confusion or something like that, that's generally enough to get you through. They also have a video here that you can watch. But I want to I want to show you what you can do if like you're really encountering this skill and it's kind of nothing you've seen before, you don't recognize it from anywhere. How do you go about learning it? If you just don't know where to start on the problem. And so what I want to point out is on the left side of your screen when you're working on Khan, you got the skill that you're working on that you've been sent to from the What Should I Do app, and it's here in blue. But preceding it, you've got two videos, and this is actually like a text introduction. So this is what's really good to kind of get you conceptually oriented to what you're working on, and just like what is an imaginary number in the first place, and then this video, right, this is just kind of a good conceptual orientation to it. This right here is kind of I would call it like a text explanation. It's more textbooky. It has you read through here, um, and it even has some like practice problems inside the textbook. So that's good to kind of check your understanding as you're reading along. Okay. Um, Also, you see here, going back to the practice problem, before it you have you have a video that's specifically geared to this practice set. Okay. So that's one way to do it, is to make use of Khan's videos and their little text explanations to orient yourself. But every once in a while I run into a student that says, hey, Khan just really does not work for me. You're watching those videos on the black screen, and so if that's your situation and you're just looking for kind of a different kind of explanation, I can help out with that. The first thing I recommend you doing is like just copy and pasting this into YouTube, and you'll get a whole bunch of different videos explaining this concept here. Okay. Now that can be kind of overwhelming. If you want me to come in and say, hey, Khan's not working for me, I need a good video for simplifying roots of negative numbers, I can help you find one. I know some of the best tutors on YouTube to recommend, the ones that typically work if Khan's not doing it for you. So please feel free to utilize me to help guide that process of finding videos that are helpful. Um, the other thing I wanted to say is a lot of times you can, if you've got a problem that you want to know how to work, I do. If somebody sends me this problem, they screenshot it to me. I make up these little videos myself. Where is it? Yeah, this is a video that I've made. I'm just explaining. This is a different skill.
Okay, powers of products and quotients with integer exponents. Integer is just meaning that
It's just me working through the problem, showing you how to tackle it. So there's lots of different options for help. Of course, that's always very personal. Some help that works for one person might not work for another person. So, like I said, I always encourage you to keep trying, looking for those people that explain things the way that makes sense to you. Um, and if it's not immediately working with Khan, please get in contact with me. I can help. So I hope that gives you some options.